everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the premium box from Boxy Charm. What's in the box? This is like way too big for 6 products. I think it's just a waste of a box for making it that big. Right off the bat, I'm gonna say this Morphe and Manny MUA palette. I'm gonna give this away in a future giveaway. I think tomorrow I'm gonna do a giveaway, so be sure to watch my channel tomorrow. And this is what she looks like. I tried to dupe it as good as I could with some colors from, you know, Disney ColourPop. The Midnight Masquerade palette. I tried to dupe like some colors from this palette, and the Morphe Such a Gem palette. Such a big palette too. And I tried to dupe some of the palette through this palette. So I have like 2 palettes that I could dupe. This one palette that I was like, this is going in a giveaway for sure. So this is $20, and I have, you know, everything here for me to put it back in. And so $20, that ain't bad for a Morphe palettes. Especially Such a Gem, it was like $40. Next is the Lord Jones High CBD Formula Body Lotion. It looks like for guys, but you know what? I am down for a body lotion. So it has like this, a pump, which is pretty neat. Yeah, it just straight up smells like a guy. I don't care. I like body lotions. And it's kind of stinky. Kind of stinky. With that CBD oil. But if it is moisturizing, so as long as it moisturizes, it's pretty fine for me. Even though it kind of smells like a guy. Starting to be like a BO guy. Stinky. Alright, this Foley Fire Matte Man Pollution Trio. $39.99, so 40 bucks for, I took them out already. They're matte lipsticks. This one is in Here to Slay in this kind of color, and Full House in this kind of color. I'll show you. I'm gonna open this one up because I want to keep this and then put these 2 in a giveaway. This is Sunset Boulevard in this color, so I'll open this one up. Even though I did check everything out, and I was like, this one I want to keep. And I'm glad they're in visual packaging, in their own packaging. So I want to keep this one because this is more like my type of color. Pretty creamy. Like a mauve pink. My nose itches. So I'll be keeping this one. Just really nice. And then I'll open these one. I was gonna do like a quick video, but that's not happening. Way too dark for me. So this will be in a giveaway. So I'm glad they gave out like 3 lipsticks to be one item. And this is like way too red for me, so I don't really go to red or like vampire looks. So these 2 will be in a giveaway as well. Ciante London. This is what she looks like, and this is Everyday Vacay, and this is a setting spray. So this is $22. So I thought this was in the Boxy regular box. I love setting sprays. That ain't bad. I really love it. I like the coconut scent. So that's really good. Decent size. I thought this would be smaller that I see in the pictures. I like to see spoilers. And next up is this CUCCIO Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. And I like anything that is for my nails. I don't like to really paint them because the color chips off. So that would be nice for my hands, my cuticles. And this is $18. So that ain't bad for like a pretty decent sized bottle. This is 75 ml, 2.5 ounces. So that ain't bad. And then the last item is $42. This is the Kenya ONTIVEROS Beauty. I never heard of this brand, but I like the packaging. And this is a blush and shine kit. And it comes with this really thick plastic. And this is what it looks like. It might be for like darker tones. But I'm going to try this out because you can definitely use these for eyeshadow. I do like this light color. So I'll swatch it real quick. They are really nice. Formula. Not really creamy. Even that highlight's pretty nice. And the last two. They're really nice colors. They're actually pretty light. What is this? And they are buildable, so I build up this color. All right, they're pretty nice. Let's see. So I didn't do any of my contouring, but I'm gonna go in with wrong brush. My first set. I'm going to go in with this. I like this. This is Gemini. Very pigmented. So you only need a little bit. Of color, and this is really nice. And then I'm going to go in with this pink color. I don't know the name of it. And then going like right on top of the other color. I like to mix blushes and mix highlights. And of course bronzers. I like to mix it all to like, I don't know, build it up. And this box is $181.99. So it's not bad. Like this box, you get 6 to 7 products. I always been seeing 6 products all together. So that ain't bad at all. So I'm going to go in with the highlight. I'm going to go in with the lightest color. This is the lights. I always put the lightest first and then I darken it up if needed. And then I'm going to go in with, this one seems lighter. the shine color. And I like to build it up. So does anybody get the premium box? If so, do you like it? This is my second box so far. And I think they are pretty decent. Like, I do love my regular box, but let me tell me if you like the premium. Like, last month was this Too Faced contour palette, and it's like another face palette. But it's really nice. I've been digging to like every color except this color. Like, I really love this. But I'm really liking, there, see it more better. I'm really liking this palette. And then I had to dupe it with other colors for the Morphe palette. So 181. And do you mind getting like nail stuff? Like, I really don't mind getting nail stuff. I know a lot of people are like, nail, hair. So I'm like trying this out real quick. Like, I don't mind getting nail stuff. To me, like, okay, I'll use it. It's really nice, oily, of course. And I like to take care of my nails anyways, but I never like buy anything for my cuticles, so that's really nice. Next, makes it shiny. So yeah, that's really nice. I'll use that. So this is variation 74. Totally forgot. So that's a lot of variations. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.